Welcome. This video. Video title is Illuminate Your Space. A comprehensive gas to LED bathroom mirror install. Introducing the bathroom is not just a utilitarian space, it is a sanctuary of relax and soft care. One elements that can significance enhance both functional and aesthetic in a bathroom is the install of a LED bathroom mirror. That mirror not only provide efficient illuminate for good room type but also add a touch of modern sophistication to the space. In this comprehensive guess, we will walk through the space to LED bedroom mirror install grid a seamless and well if upgrade to your daily record. Select the right LED bathroom mirror before right into the install provide its cabin to choose the right LED bathroom mirror for use your space. Consider a size of your bathroom, the available wall, increase resisting room and bag other. Choose a mirror that complement your bathroom spell decor wall provide and inspire level of illuminate. Location the idea placement. Careful choose the placement for your LED mirror to other both LED and aesthetic. Consider functional space as natural LED circuit that serve for other bathroom fix or the height and watch the mirror wall to most considered for use a label and pinned mark that different location on the wall task into accounts both ongoing and eliminate. Moment the LED mirror. with the wall product. It's time of moment time to moment the LED mirror and to help of a friend and family numbering both to hold the mirror in place while your certification if to wall use the assigned solve and follow guideline and install double choose the illuminate use the lever and interior balance install considering install a LED bathroom mirror if it are just forward yard impactful reject that can transforming your bathroom into a wall and style space by careful select the mirror follow provide install stamp and play attack to different to you can enjoy the benefit of impact light and aesthetic into in your daily resume role illuminate your space and elevate your bathroom stand with the add of a LED bathroom mirror.